Hey, it's Cool Stuff with James here, and today I'm going to show you how to make tacos. Step 1, grab a pan. Yep, and then you get the stove going. So I set our stove at to 7.5. So next step, step 2, you need to grab the meat and grab a spatula and put it in the pan. Oh yeah, big hunk of meat. There she is. Step 3 is chop it up. This is a fun step. So you just gotta keep chopping, stirring, and flipping all the meat until it's all brown. So chop and stir and flip. Now it's starting to look more like tacos. You just gotta make sure that every piece is brown. Like there's a pink piece, and so make sure every single piece is brown and it's all evenly coated in the same color. So all the meat looks like it's done, so now let's drain all this grease out. There we go. Ooh, looking pretty fresh. So we have this Casa Mamita taco seasoning mix we're gonna put in there. And we're making a lot of tacos, so we're gonna put 2 bags of this stuff in. So it says to add some water to this. It says 2/3 of a cup water, and we're doubling the batch. So we have 1 1/3 cup water. Oh yeah. So stir it around until it's evenly coated again. So you have to bring the water, or bring this to a boil now. So we're gonna turn the stove on once more and let it simmer for 3 to 4 minutes. So once it gets boiling, you see the little bubbles, then you want to make it simmer. So bring the stove down. So now for making the taco, you want to grab your shell. We like soft shells, my family does. And then grab some of the meat, put it on. Lots of meat's always good. And then I like to melt some cheese on it, so like the hot meat will melt the cheese. There you have it, tacos. Thanks for watching. If you want to subscribe, click up there. If you want to watch us play beer pong, pick up there.